How many times have you told yourself, I'll quit when I feel ready? You get fired up after a relapse. You feel disgusted, ashamed, and you swear, this is it. I'm done for good. And then just a few days, maybe even a week, you're doing great. You're reading, you're praying, you're hitting the gym, you're feeling unstoppable. But then life hits hard. Work stress, loneliness, isolation, and boredom. And that motivation that felt so powerful a few days ago, it's gone. And before you know it, you're right back where you started. Here's the truth, brother. Motivation doesn't set men free. Discipline does. And in today's episode of The Rebuilt Man, I'm going to show you exactly why motivation is the biggest trap keeping men stuck in addiction. And I'm going to share with you 7 things that will beat motivation every single time. These are the same 7 principles we teach inside the Rebuilt Man Brotherhood. The same ones that have helped hundreds, if not thousands of men rebuild their lives, reclaim their integrity, and finally walk in freedom. And here's the things that most guys get wrong. They think that they need to feel motivated before they can take action. But motivation is nothing more than emotion. And emotions cannot be trusted. What changes your life is how you feel, is not how you feel, but it's what you do consistently over time, even when those feelings aren't there. You see, freedom from porn isn't about feeling ready. It's about becoming the kind of man who acts regardless of how he feels. So in today's episode of The Rebuilt Man, we're breaking down the 7 things that will always beat motivation. The real tools that create lasting transformation. Guys, welcome here. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder and host here. And it's been our mission for the last 7 years to help men just like you, the ones that are caught up in the depths of this addiction, break the chain, step into a new identity, and reclaim their freedom once and for all. If you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching us on YouTube, turn those post notifications on. But let's get into the 7 things that'll beat and trump motivation every single time. Number 1 is discipline. And it's doing what's necessary, even when it's not easy. You see, motivation might get you started, but discipline will keep you going. Discipline, though, is built in the dark when nobody's watching, when everything in you wants to quit, when you don't feel like doing it. If I think back in my own life, man, it was the 5 a.m. workouts. It was showing up to record these podcasts when I was exhausted. It was the mornings that I didn't want to pray or journal, but I showed up no matter what. Those were the moments that built my character, not the ones that I did when I felt good. Inside the Reboot Your Life program, our men track something called the Daily 5. These are the 5 foundational daily habits that help men not relying on motivation, but in building discipline. And the ones that win are the ones that do it every single day, not because it's fun or easy, but because we know it works. So remember this, discipline is doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. Motivation will fade, but discipline will always endure. The second thing here that's going to trump motivation every single time is structure. Because your systems will always beat your feelings. The truth is you will not rise to the level of your goals, but you will fall to the level of your systems. These are military principles. If your system is weak, your willpower will lose every single time. Structure removes decision fatigue. It eliminates chaos. That's why we give our men morning routines, nightly rituals, and accountability check-ins on a daily and weekly basis. Because you don't need to wake up, feel motivated if your life is structured for success. Think about it. If you have a plan that is written down and you follow that plan every single day, you don't need to ask, do I feel like doing this? You just execute. Freedom is built through structure, not through emotion. The third thing here that's going to trump motivation every single time will be your accountability. Are you choosing brotherhood over isolation? The most dangerous place for a man to live is alone with his own excuses. Isolation is where the lies go to grow. It's where we convince ourselves one more time won't hurt. But when you're surrounded by brothers who hold you to a higher standard, you rise with them. That's why accountability is one of the most powerful forces in real and lasting transformation. Inside the Rebuilt Man Brotherhood, we see this playing out every single day. One of the guys told me before joining, I'd relapse every 3 days. Now I'm 90 days clean. Not because I suddenly got more motivated, but because now I have brothers who won't let me hide. Accountability is what transforms good intentions into consistent actions. The fourth thing here that'll trump your motivation every single time will be your identity. Acting like the man you want to become. You don't do what you want to do, you do what you believe you are. That's why identity always beats motivation. When a man still identifies as an addict or a guy who's trying to quit porn, he's reinforcing that problem and he will act like an addict. But when he begins to declare, I'm a man of freedom, I'm a man of discipline, integrity, and self-control, his behaviors will follow that. Inside our program, we have every man write out an I am statement. It's a declaration of who he's becoming, not who he's been. But here's the truth. You can't have inconsistent with who you are. You cannot live inconsistent with who you believe you are. When you change your identity, your actions will naturally align. And that moves us into the fifth thing here that'll always trump motivation. It is your vision. Because purpose will always pull you further than pain pushes you. Without a vision, men perish. Motivation might push you for a few days, but vision will pull you for a lifetime. You need something bigger than I just want to quit porn. You need a why, a mission, a purpose that drives your life differently. Inside the brotherhood, we see this all the time. One of our brothers, Mike, told me he stopped counting how many days he had been clean. He started counting how many days he was present with his wife. That's real vision. That's what keeps men going when emotions fade, when life gets hard. Purpose. Your purpose will pull you further than pain ever will. The sixth thing here that'll trump your motivation every single time will be your faith. When feelings fail, faith will sustain. Faith is trusting that obedience will bear fruit, even when you cannot see it. Porn addiction isn't just a mental or physical battle. It is spiritual warfare playing out in the real world. And willpower alone will not win that war. Feelings change, faith doesn't. When I started the Rebuilt Recovery back in 2019, I didn't feel ready. I didn't have it all figured out. I wasn't qualified on paper. But faith said, go anyways. Scripture says, walk by faith, not by sight. So even when you don't feel motivated, walk in faith. Faith will fuel obedience, and obedience is what builds freedom. And number 7 here, the seventh thing that is going to trump your motivation every single time will be your level of commitment. Do you rely on your decisions or your emotions? Because motivation asks, do I feel like it? Commitment says, I've already decided. The root word of decide is to cut off, the Greek root. There's something powerful that happens when a man stops negotiating with his old self. Commitment isn't a feeling, it is a covenant. Inside our brotherhood, we have men sign what we call a freedom contract. It's a written declaration that says, this is who I am. This is what I've decided. There's no going back. And I've watched men go from years of relapse to total freedom, not because they felt more inspired, but because they stopped living and giving themselves an exit. Remember, commitment is the bridge between who you are and who you're called to be. So my closing message here is motivation might light the spark, but it'll never keep the fire burning. If you want real transformation, stop chasing feelings and start living by principles: discipline, structure, brotherhood, identity, vision, faith, and commitment. These are the 7 pillars that build the rebuilt man. These are the pillars that'll set you free if you live them out every single day. Now, brother, if you're tired of waiting for motivation to show up, if you're ready to finally start building the system and structure that produces lasting freedom, then I want to invite you to take the next step. Join us inside the Rebuilt Man Brotherhood through our free 7-day porn reset challenge. This is a proven process that's helped hundreds of men gain control, rebuild discipline, start walking in purpose and freedom. You will get immediate access by joining today to video lessons, guided journaling, and connection with men that are on the same mission as you. Go to therebuiltman.com/7-day reset or click the link down there below. Once again, therebuiltman.com/7-day reset to start your 7-day reset today. But stop waiting on motivation. Make the decision. Take action, because your future, your freedom, your legacy depends on it. Guys, click the link in the show notes below, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.